Hello everybody, Dolores Keaveney here, and a few years ago myself and my grandchildren put together this little cookery book called Beelicious Recipes with Honey, first cookery book for boys and girls. I did all the art and and a few little recipes, and my grandchildren did all the recipes. They wrote out the recipes, they cooked the recipes, and they checked that they worked, and we put them all together and we made the book. So I'm just going to go through the little book. It's very small and simple, and Mammy, Emma and Daddy might give you a hand to do some recipes. The first recipe is gingerbread, Mary's Gingerbread Boys and Girls, all about gingerbread boys and girls. Second one is Will's Beelicious Blueberry Pancakes, and Will was making them here, and we're going to make them at the end. Hilary's Honey Scones. I like to use honey because I love the bees and I like promoting them and keeping them, giving, you know, information to children. And they work very hard to get honey for us. And this is Ellies Tartlets. We're going to make that one. You have boys' banana bread here. The boys are making the banana bread, and one of the boys made this little temperature gauge, to tell you how long you leave in your cooking. Ellies Tartlets, we're making the Ellies Tartlets. French toast, very simple, with the hem Mammy will help you. And then we have buns, lovely buns, Ellies buns, and she wrote out the recipe and put it here. And then we made some icing for those buns, two different types of icing. We did some smoothies with beautiful fresh fruit, several ones. We did that one, and bananas and strawberries, oranges and blueberries. And then we did the fried banana, and I showed you how to cook those. Very simple. This is how you make yourself a nice lemon drink if you're sick, if you have a cold, with honey. It's great for you, and great for you to take away the cold. And last, Hilary's bees. These are simple, so simple little bees that you can make from marzipan. And I did that, showed you how to do that. And at the back, there's loads of information about the bee. So why not go ahead? We're going to make 4 recipes, and it'll tell you the ingredients and everything just after this. And try out one of them. And hope you have a great time cooking. And thank you for tuning in. And bye-bye. The first recipe that Ali is going to make is Will's Beelicious Blueberry Pancakes. And here are the ingredients. Flour, cup of milk, 1 egg, a pinch of salt. You will also need some butter for the pan with a drop of oil. And you need blueberries and a drizzle of honey. So now I will hand you over to Ali, who will show you how to make it.
Hi, my name is Ali, and today I will be showing you how to make Will's Beelicious Blueberry Pancakes from the book Beelicious Recipes with Honey. You will need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, a pinch of salt, you will need blueberries and local honey to decorate. Whisk together with a hand whisk. This is an important job for a little person. An adult has to do this part. Spoon 1 ladle of your mix into the pan. After about 2 minutes, when bubbles appear on the pancake, it's time to flip it. After another minute or 2, it should be ready. Now it's time to decorate your pancake. You can spoon on a little bit of honey. Local is the best. And you can put on any of your favourite berries. I'm using blueberries. Delicious.
And now we have Ellies Tartlets. Some very lovely little snacks that are so easy to make. You will need, just roll out puff pastry, an apple, some honey, an egg to make a wash, and a little bit of flour to shake on your board when you're rolling out the pastry. And this is a really fun way to make some snacks, and it only takes 20 minutes. So my 2 grandchildren and their mammy, Hugh and Austin and Kate, are now going to give you a demonstration on how to make Ellies Tartlets, and I hope you give it a try.
A little scrub, that's it. Okay, Hugh, you are going to cut out the pastry shape, so you can use your shapes. What have you got there?
A moon and a star.
Oh, perfect. Okay, off you go then. So just start cutting out little shapes out of the puff pastry. Just turn it round that way so that the sharp bit goes down. That's it. That's the way. Now put one next to it. Yeah, perfect. Push it down and give it a little wiggle so you can get the shape out. Very good. Hugh, pop it on the tray. Off you go. That's it. Put it down on the tray. And we'll do the next one. Pick your shape. That's it. Push it down hard. That's it. Give it a little wiggle. That's it. Perfect. Now we'll get that shape out. And gently pull it out, yeah. And then you can put it up on the... That's it.
Don't rip it, Hugh.
That's
Don't rip it.
You're doing great.
Don't rip it.
Just gently
There we
now.
go. Star.
Pop it onto the tray. That's another one. Okay, and another one. Get your star. Perfect.
Here.
That's it. And hopefully we'll make a few shapes like this. Okay, so we have all our stars and moons, and now we're going to put a bit of egg wash. There you go, Hugh. Yeah, dip it in and paint it onto the... That's it, just a little paint, yeah. And then the next one. Yeah, a bit more egg.
This is like painting what I did today.
Yeah, it's a bit like painting.
I was
yeah.
painting today.
Very good.
So like painting.
Yeah. Brush
Painting
it on. That's
stars
it.
and moons.
Okay, so now we've brushed all our shapes with the egg, and Hugh and Austin now are going to put the apple slices on each. Yeah, there you go. So get a little tiny bit of apple. That's it, Hugh and Austin. That's it, good boy. A little bit of apple on each one.
It doesn't matter if you get egg mixture on.
No, that's okay. You just plop them on. Yummy. Keep going. A little bit of apple. And just put it on. Yeah, that's brilliant. Well done. That's a nice one.
That
Here,
looks
yeah.
like vinegar.
Does it?
Yeah.
Yeah, but just a little tiny bit of apple, yeah. That's it, very good. Put it on.
What about sprinkles?
Yeah, they're like sprinkles, aren't they? Okay, and then we get ready for the next bit, which is the honey. Okay, so now we've got a little pot of honey, and we're going to drizzle the honey, like the recipe says, drizzle with honey. So that's it, guys. Get your spoons in, and just a little drizzle over each one, yeah, and on to the next one. Very good. That's the best bit, isn't it? The honey for the top. That's
And
it,
this
get your
is
spoon
the
in.
recipe, Beelicious recipes for honey.
Yeah, that's right. It's the book, isn't it? The Beelicious recipes. Recipes with honey.
Yeah.
So, okay.
So this is the main part
The
of
main
it.
part, the main ingredient, isn't it?
Honey, because you need honey for it.
You sure do. So, we finished the tartlets. We put the honey on top. And now we're going to get ready to put them in the oven, aren't we?
Yeah.
Ready? So what does it say? How long do you put them in for?
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
20 minutes and put it on 180 degrees.
That is it. 20 minutes, 180 degrees. Okay, here we go. So our tartlets are nearly ready. They look delicious. Time to get them out. In 5,
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's get them. Here we go. They look yummy, don't they?
Yeah.
Delicious fried banana in honey. You will need 2 bananas halved, 2 tablespoonfuls of local honey, and a knob of butter. Here I have 2 bananas halved and some local honey. I like local honey myself. And I have the knob of butter on the pan. So you have to drizzle a drop of honey all over the bananas and turn them around spread it on the banana, right? Then you heat up your frying pan and place the bananas on the frying pan. You will need a little bit of help now from an adult for this because the pan is hot. So you just let the bananas sizzle. You can hear them. Can you hear them? They even smell delicious at the moment. You let them cook there for a little while. Give them a little stir. Then you just turn them over and let them cook for a little while more until they are golden brown. Don't they just look yummy? And then you serve them on a plate with a little drizzle of honey and your favourite ice cream. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. And for this fun recipe called Hillary's Bees, where you can make little marzipan bees, you need marzipan icing, golden icing, the golden one, which is kind of yellow. You will need a very small amount of dark chocolate and a little brush to paint it on, and some almond flakes for the wings. So you need the marzipan, the chocolate, and the almond flakes, and you can have great fun making loads and loads of little marzipan bees. Look. So to make Hillary's bees, you need your marzipan, your chocolate, and your nuts, your almonds, and a knife. So I'm going to just give you a quick demonstration. You slice the marzipan, you pull off a piece like this, look, not too big, and you roll it in your fingers like that. You just roll it round. Make sure that your hands are washed before you do this. You roll it into kind of a little B shape. You see that? Look. B shape. And then you have your chocolate melted. There it is. Then you get your almond flakes. These are the almond flakes. Mommy will have them for you. And you just push them into the side like that. You need 2. There's another. You just push that in like that, look. And there you have your bee. Now, we just want to add a little bit of chocolate to the top of the bee to make it, to give it its stripes like this, look. Right across. 1, just 2, 2, and we'll give it some little eyes like this, look. 1, 2, another little, and a little mouth. 2 little eyes and a little mouth. And there you have your little bee. Hilary's bees. And you can make loads and loads of them and put them on your buns or your cakes, and they're delicious to eat. And here I've made some marzipan bees to use on your cupcakes, on our cupcakes. So they're very simple, so why not give it a try? You could put one on your cupcake like that. You see, I have one here and on my drawing of a cupcake. So have fun with those. So now we've come to the end of the book, and hopefully you will cook along with us. Pick one of the recipes that we did and maybe cook along with us, and hope you have a great evening testing out the recipes. And just at the end of the book there's some great information about the honeybee, which is an amazing insect, and here are some facts. Lots of little facts about the bee. So thank you for accompanying us with our recipes, and I hope you have a great evening cooking. Bye bye.